Experiencing issues porting your number to Verizon? You're not alone. Common causes include incorrect account information like your account number, PIN, or billing zip code from your previous carrier, outstanding balances with your old provider, or even system glitches during the verification process. A major outage in late 2025 involving a third-party vendor, Cineverse, caused widespread freezes and affected thousands of users. Despite Verizon's reported 90% success rate, user reports suggest persistent problems. Before you panic, double-check every detail you provided to Verizon. This includes your full account number, PIN, and billing zip code from your previous carrier. Even a small typo can cause the port to fail. Contact your previous carrier to confirm this information and ensure it matches exactly what you gave Verizon. Many issues stem from simple, avoidable data entry errors. This is the first and easiest step to troubleshoot. If your information is correct and the port is still failing, contact Verizon's porting department directly. Verizon introduced an AI-driven chatbot to help troubleshoot porting issues. For complex cases, it's often more effective to speak with a live agent rather than using the chatbot. Be prepared to provide all relevant account information and explain the issue clearly. Escalate the ticket if necessary, and ask for a reference number for future follow-ups. Note the name of the agent you speak with for future reference. Sometimes the issue isn't with Verizon, but with your previous carrier. They might have placed a hold on your account due to an outstanding balance or some other reason. Contact your previous carrier to ensure there are no such holds preventing the port. Resolve any issues promptly and inform Verizon that the hold has been lifted. Keep records of all communication with your previous carrier. If Verizon is not resolving the issue and the port is significantly delayed beyond the mandated 1 to 2 business days, consider filing a complaint with the Federal Communications Commission. The FCC enforces number portability rules, and a complaint can prompt Verizon to take your case more seriously. Provide all relevant documentation, including your account information, dates of contact with Verizon, and the nature of the problem. The FCC fined Verizon $1.2 million in early 2026 for not complying with the porting rules. Verizon offers digital tools to streamline the porting process. These tools can provide visibility and help expedite resolution. Start by checking Verizon's online resources for porting guidance. Check if Verizon's Port In tool is available in their app. This integrated tool helps with the process. The tool allows you to track your port status, upload necessary documents, and troubleshoot common issues. This screenshot shows how the tool integrates with Verizon's device management page. While not a guaranteed fix, using these tools can provide more visibility into the process and potentially expedite resolution. While resolving porting issues, remain vigilant about security. SIM swapping attacks, where criminals transfer your number to a different SIM card, are a growing concern. SIM swapping is a cybercrime where attackers trick your mobile provider into transferring your phone number to a SIM card they control. This allows them to intercept your calls, texts, and access your accounts. To protect yourself, always verify any requests for account changes directly with Verizon. Be cautious of suspicious emails or phone calls claiming to be from Verizon. Verizon is investing in biometric verification, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, to make account changes more secure and prevent unauthorized transfers. If you suspect any fraud or unauthorized activity, report it immediately to Verizon support. Early reporting can help prevent further damage. The future of number porting at Verizon looks promising as the telecom industry evolves toward more efficient processes. The telecom industry is shifting toward fully automated, real-time porting processes. This means fewer manual steps and quicker transfers between carriers. Verizon is actively implementing AI and automation tools. Their AI-driven chatbot, introduced in 2025, has already reduced support tickets by 30% and is expected to cut porting times by up to 50% by 2027. Experts predict near instantaneous porting through 5G integration by 2030. The high-speed, low-latency 5G networks will enable real-time verification and activation, minimizing disruptions during carrier switches. Blockchain technology is being piloted for enhanced security in number porting. This decentralized system could provide tamper-proof verification, reducing risks like SIM swapping attacks that have plagued the industry. Although current porting challenges continue to affect users, these technological advancements from Verizon and the industry provide optimism for a much more seamless and secure number porting experience in the coming years.